I'm representing the Kaushik Private Limited here. I came here to see what are the new products in the machinery field has come now. I'm from the hardware field. We manufacture the interior products on the customized basis. So what are the new products, what are the new machines are coming, what are the new applications we can use in our factory? We came here, a lot of new things because which we cannot find in a regular market. If we want these kind of product, we have to go 10 places to see. Here we came and we found 10 types of machines and 10 types of different companies at one place. It was a good experience for me, and we have gathered a lot of information about the upcoming products and upcoming machines which we can integrate in our factory for the better efficient production. Footfall is okay. Exhibitors are also very good. They are giving the good information. They are telling everything about the machinery. It was a good experience for our industry person.